Hi everyone, it's Verify from lifeforchoice.com, and today I'm going to share a very simple, easy and fun technique that will help you to believe that our thoughts create, and then it is like a fun manifesting daily. Everyone like to manifest daily, and when you are able to manifest daily, imagine how wonderful it will be when you daily have few manifestation done, and it create like a snowball effect. You good news, they keep collecting good news, and this technique I use personally in my life, and I share with my coaching clients as well, and we get massive result. So let's dive into our video today. So what you have to do in this technique, it is very simple technique. You have to, in the morning, it's just like a journaling, but you take your pen, pencil or notebook and start writing in a past tense. Isn't it wonderful that I have manifested unexpected money today? Isn't it wonderful? I manifested a beautiful text message from my specific person today. Isn't it wonderful? I manifested new clients today. Isn't it wonderful? I manifested new subscribers today if you have a YouTube channel. Isn't it wonderful? I got wonderful comment from my bosses today. Isn't it wonderful? I have a wonderful day today. Isn't it wonderful? Today, all of the things in my manifesting list got manifested, and anything that comes in your mind, small or big, or you can even, I wrote once in my list, isn't it wonderful? I manifested snowy day today. So I didn't get snow in my house. However, I got a lot of videos. My friends was telling me there was a snowing in their area. So you can have some fun with weather as well. Then I manifested rainbow as well, unexpected money and unexpected cash. So all these fun things, little fun things, you can keep manifesting, and it help you to believe that your thoughts create. Then when you build up the belief, and you must have heard, when you build up the belief will build you. So when you know that your thoughts create, then you can create something new for you, and you will have a solid, rock solid belief. Yes, your thoughts create, and yes, you're going to build it. Yes, you're going to manifest something which you really want. And this list, another advantage of this technique is that it will take you out of the obsession mode. Sometimes we really stuck on really want something. I really want this thing to happen today. So write down this list, and then go about with your days. Get busy, whatever you are doing. Do not have to keep watching, is not here yet, is not here yet, is not here yet. You don't have to do that. You just write down and feel a happiness at the same time that it has manifested today. That is another secret for this technique. Is not just about writing. You have to feel it, because this is a Neville Goddard's technique, and this is Neville Goddard is all about feeling. So you must feel, isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? Like it happened today, that in the morning you are feeling that this happened today, that is has done. You have no doubt on it. It has done. So let me know, try this technique, let me know how did you find it, and how many things you get manifested. And if you do not manifest all the things in one day, does not matter. Do not beat yourself up, and do not think that you are doing something wrong. So if things do not manifest in one day, it can manifest in a second day, after 3 days. Just forget about it, that list. Another day, write another list, and make sure you add daily new things. You can repeat some things as well, which you really interesting. I like to repeat that most of my things get manifested daily. I love manifesting daily. So write down in your list. You can repeat that, but it's a good idea to add new things daily in your list. And basically this technique is a fun technique, and to build up your belief. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you subscribe this channel, like and share, and let me know how did you find it, and if you are doing this technique, how does it help you. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.